Hey everyone, Brandon Ferguson here with Castle Rock Mortgage, Joey Williamson with Keller. This week we want to talk about a big issue that you've kind of had with two clients these last few days, busted pipes in the house with all this cold weather.
Yeah, not good. We had quite the day Monday with the Williamson home group. So we had two people that had busted pipes, two listings of ours had busted pipes, and today we're just going to talk about some preventive maintenance. So what temperature you should keep your home if you're going to be gone for an extended period of time, and maybe leaving some water running, stuff like that.
Okay, so let's say I'm going to go on vacation, or I've got a house that's sitting vacant because I want to sell it, or it's going to be a rental or whatever. If I'm going to be, gone, what temperature does the house need to sit around?
I would say no less than 55. I mean, typically if you call plumbers who fix these types of problems, you're going to hear 55, 60, something like that. So it's anywhere between 55 and 60.
Okay, and then I have always heard about keeping some water running, things like that, especially when you hit these cold spouts. Do you want to turn everything on the house? Everything needs to be on drip? What's it kind of look like?
No, you don't have to turn all the faucets on, but anything that's on an exterior wall. So if your kitchen probably has a window over it because it's on the back side of the home, so that faucet would need to be turned on. Interior bathrooms don't have to worry about because they're insulated pretty much for being the center of the home. But if your tub is on the outside wall or something like that, you're going to want to turn the water on. And it doesn't have to be a steady stream. It just has to be a drip.
Okay. And so that's kind of the two big points we want to put out there. Thanks for watching last week, giving a ton of wonderful feedback on your favorite soaps. Connor did a fantastic job, so we loved having him on. This week question, and so remember, you're going to share the video, you're going to comment an answer to this question here, and that's going to enter you into the drawing. So this week we want to know what's the either best advice or the craziest advice surrounding busted pipes, winterizing your home that you've ever heard. So what's the craziest thing? Thanks for watching.
Thank you.